Hi, it's Adrian. In this video, we'll look at how you manage images in Cademy. So I'm currently editing a course, and you can see that I have an option to add images here. So if I click on this Add Images button, it'll open the media selector. And I could pick any of the images that I've previously uploaded in this account, or I can just click on this button to select images off my computer and upload them. I can also select images and drag them in here to upload them all at once, and give it a second, and there you go, it's uploaded all my images in here. If I click done, it's going to add all the images and I'll be able to see them in the preview. And let's say I want to change which image gets featured. I'll just have to click on this add media option again and find the image that I want to highlight, and I'll click on the star icon on that image. Boom, done. And you see that now that image is the one showed in here is the featured one. The featured image is also going to show in the course list, so make sure that you pick one that highlights, well, that's the most important one for your course. If you want to change the images in here, you'll just have to change the order in which you select them. So pick the first image that you select in the media picker here is going to be the one that gets featured, and then the second one is going to be here, the third one here. So you choose in the order you want them to appear. That's pretty much it in terms of selecting them, but what happens if the part of the image that gets shown here is not the one that you want to feature? If I click on this image, you can see that it's a very tall image, and I can just choose which bits I want to be featured within this selector, within this preview. So I just drag and reposition this. Now you can't just randomly drag and redraw this. There's very good technical reasons why not, but we're going to be working on improving this. But for now, you choose which area gets prioritized when we crop or zoom into this. So you can see I've just focused on the top bit, and now we see more of the text. If I drag it in here, you'll see that we'll see more of the nails and less of the text. So choose which area you want focused on, and that's going to be it. Now, in addition to this, you can also rename or delete images. So if you come in here and choose any of the image, you can give it another name, friendly name, oops, update, there you go, that now has a different name. And it's going to reorder it, so I've kind of lost track of it because it's kind of reordered alphabetically, and now it's over here. You can also delete images if you want to, so if I click here and click delete, I'll be able to delete this image, but keep in mind, it's not going to let me delete any media if a course or my account is using that. So if I have this set as my logo, or if a course is using this image, and click this, it says you have courses using this media item, right? So it's not going to let me delete, and it's telling me which course is actually using this this image. So I'll have to go into that course, unselect that image, save the course, and then I'll be able to come back into the media selector and delete the image altogether if I want to delete it. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please use the live chat at the bottom right to ask them. We're always happy to chat to you. Thank you so much and take care.